Hello, my name is Jennifer Weiser. I am a reference and instruction librarian at a small university. I provide instruction and create learning objects such as LibGuides. I'm relatively new to this position, and being hired during COVID has extended my settling in period. So at this point, I haven't had much interaction with faculty on a curriculum level, but reflecting on my past work environment, I think what I think the misconceptions that faculty have about learning objectives may be that they think that objectives, or it can happen that objectives are confused with goals. The outcome of this is that the aim and the purpose of a course is too general instead of specific, like a learning objective. And additionally, effective learning objectives are measurable. So, as I understand it, a measurable objective helps an educator to identify the necessary skills and steps that learners need to meet expectations. But when a goal is in the place of an objective, the learner may not be fully supported in the course content and may not have the opportunity to develop the necessary skills to complete the assignments. So a real world example of this is the research paper assignment. In my experience, it's typical that the research assignment does not include objectives in the course design. Particularly at a master's level, it's assumed that the students will have these foundational skills because they completed an undergraduate degree. It's an unfortunate assumption. Many master's programs invite students from different undergrad degrees, different disciplines, which means that the students do not have an equivalent exposure to a discipline's research process, the resources, or the expectations, the standards of that discipline. And the consequence of this is that faculty are disappointed in their students' work use of poor sources for academic research, and they blame the students. And the students are frustrated and confused because they don't have the foundational knowledge to actually complete the assignment. There was never an objective that helped them make sure that they could practice those foundational skills. And from a librarian's perspective, the student really is missing out on developing those lifelong skills for information literacy when those learning objectives aren't designed and goals are focused on instead.